Healthy snacks for runners. Have you ever pondered the significance of nutrition and the role of healthy snacks in enhancing the performance and endurance of runners? Running is a demanding physical activity that requires not only dedication and training but also proper fuel to sustain energy levels and aid in recovery. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration of healthy snacks for runners, we delve into the realm of nutrition and unveil the secrets of how carefully chosen snacks can provide essential nutrients, optimize energy, and promote overall well-being for runners. Get ready to embark on a journey that highlights the importance of healthy snacking in the world of running, leaving you curious about the choices that can elevate your running experience. 1. The Runner's Challenge. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the unique nutritional demands faced by runners, who require energy, nutrients, and recovery aids to perform at their best. 2. The Snacking Advantage. Snacking isn't just about curbing hunger, it's about fueling the body for sustained performance. We'll delve into the role of healthy snacks in providing necessary nutrients. 3. Pre-run fuel. Runners often need quick and easily digestible energy sources before a run. We'll discuss pre-run snack options to kickstart your activity. 4. On-the-go snacks. During longer runs or races, portable snacks become invaluable. We'll explore snacks that are convenient to carry and consume while running. 5. Recovery and muscle repair. Post-run recovery is crucial. We'll delve into how certain snacks can aid muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and accelerate recovery. 6. Nutrient-dense options. The best snacks for runners are nutrient-dense and provide a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. We'll discuss options that meet these criteria. 7. Hydration and electrolytes. Staying hydrated and maintaining electrolyte balance is essential for runners. We'll explore snacks that help with hydration and electrolyte replenishment. 8. The journey to optimal performance. In conclusion, healthy snacks for runners is a testament to the fact that successful running isn't just about training, it's about recognizing the pivotal role of nutrition and healthy snacking in achieving optimal performance and well-being. It's not just about what's in your sneakers, it's about the journey to choosing the right snacks to fuel your runs. As we embark on this journey into the world of healthy snacks for runners, you'll discover the transformative potential of nourishing your body with the right snacks. It's a journey of embracing the role of snacks in sustaining energy, promoting recovery, and elevating your running experience, one bite at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.